Hello, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Long Time. My name is Luna or LP. You know what it is? Today we're going to continue with the preposition lesson. We're going to see the preposition of time. And without delay, let's get into it. Let's go. En aller, en aller. For exact time, you use at. As an example, at 6 a.m. Or you can say, I wake up at 6 a.m. And we use a. We use a. And remember the previous lessons on the preposition. When you use at for place, we use na, which is different, right? So now, if you use at for exact time, we're going to use at. Let's say, for example, at 6 a.m., I will say à 6 heures pile. 6 heures du matin. À 6 heures du matin. I wake up at 6 a.m. Moi levé à 6 heures du matin. For days and dates, specific dates, you use on, like on July 4th, for example. We use nothing sometimes. We use non, non jour, non date. If you say on July 4th, we say le 4 juillet. Le 4 juillet. Or non jour 4 juillet. If it's going to be on the future. Or non date qui était 4 juillet. If it was on the past. So quickly, we see for specific dates, for days, it could be le 4 juillet, on July 4th. And if it's in the past, we say on July 4th, nan date qui était 4 juillet. And if it's like in the future, we will say jour 4 juillet, or jour qui prend le 4 juillet. Sometimes we use nothing, like we have training on Saturday. Nou gen entraînement samedi. Nothing. And also, on my birthday, nan jour fête mwen, on my birthday, for longer periods, or centuries, or years, or it could be for part of the day, you use in, we use en, or non. Let's say in January, en janvier, but if I say in the morning, I will say non matin. In the afternoon, non après-midi, right? Right. When time is like a duration, you use for, we use pour or pendant. And then the examples are, I studied for 2 hours. Moi tap étudié pendant 2 heures. Moi étudié pendant 2 heures. You see something there, right? Even with the tenses, sometimes we don't have to express any time. It's logical. Or I waited for a long time. Moins tan pour yon paquet. Or moins tap tan pour yon paquet. I waited for a long time. Moins tan juste moins tourner pour attendre. When time is a starting point, you use since. We use depuis. Alright? Let's give you an example. Since 2016, depuis 2016, I have lived here since 2018. Ma vive ici depuis 2018. When the preposition is to express time as a deadline, you use by. We use bo, or we just translate the idea. Like, if you say by Friday, I will say bon vendredi. But if you say turn on the homework by Friday, remettre devoir bon vendredi. But we can just translate the idea. Say remettre devoir pas pita que vendredi. Remettre devoir pas pita que vendredi. Or remettre devoir pour pita vendredi. When the preposition of time is to express an imprint, you use until, and we use jis. So until next week, jis l'autre semaine, jis l'autre semaine, or we stay there until midnight. Nou te rete là jusqu'à minuit. When you're using the preposition of time to express beginning and end of the moment, and you use the preposition from to, like from time to time, de temps en temps, like from Monday to Friday, de lundi à vendredi, from time to time, de temps en temps, not de temps à temps, temps en temps, because Creole come from French. Temps in French has s at the end. There's a connection of sound, and that's what we say in Creole, de temps en temps. And now, briefly, to conclude this video, when you say before we started this video, avant nous te commencé vidéo ça, and now after this video, apre vidéo. So before we say avant, after we say apre or apre. Creole is really like apre. If you wanna, sounds like a little French like, you will say apre, but it's apre. Wash your hands before eating. Lave mains avant ou manger. After school, things will go crazy. After school. Après classe, après l'école. Alright? Alright, thank you for watching. This is the end of this lesson. Remember, before is avant, and after is après. After this, après. Oh my God. It's après. And après video ça, after this video, what you have to do is to share it. Subscribe if you are new on this platform, and give it a like. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.